In this video, we will show you how you can activate and configure the supplier portal. Note that this video is exclusive for admins. To activate the supplier portal, go to Settings, then go to Document Processing, and then go to Module. Now scroll down to Supplier Portal and click on the toggle to activate the supplier portal. If done so, you can head back to the settings and click on Supplier Settings. Here you can choose and edit your email templates. To do that, click on the button that says New on the right to create a new template. You can select an existing template and give it a name, a subject, a sender name, and a magic link. Now you can just type in the email creator to create a template or hit the HTML editor and copy an existing template and send a test email to check if it looks good in your inbox. Check the links, and if everything works, you are ready to invite your suppliers. If you have further questions or something didn't work like it did in the video, feel free to check our YouTube channel or reach out to us directly via our support team.